Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to Lifestyle with Yoli. And this is your girl, Yoli. Lifestylers, we are at the Vlogmas Day 23. Guys, we are at, Guys, we are at Vlogmas Day 23. Huh? Guys, I don't know how I did it, but we did it. We did it. Put it that way. We did it. So guys, if it's your first time over here, welcome to my channel. If you have watched one video, two video, and you like what you're seeing and you haven't subscribed us yet, just hit the subscribe button. You're done a part of us. Just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, turn your post notification on, so whenever time I drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Yes, and guys, just leave a little something in the comment section and just say, new subby, so we can big you guys up. All right, if you're a new subby, just leave a little comment in the comment section, so we can big you guys up. Anyways, guys, tonight I have a little paid promotion. Yeah, so for Vlogmas 23, yes guys, even though Christmas is one day away, yeah, you still can't order no Christmas cake. Yes guys, so this company is a small business that is located in Hamilton, Ontario. It's called Reminisce Christmas Fruit Cake. See guys, get a close up. It's called Reminisce Christmas Fruit Cake, guys. Yes, so Reminisce, it's the second time, guys, I am having Reminisce Fruit Cake. Reminisce had sponsored one of the Naked Truth Therapy podcast. That was the first time she baked a cake for the Naked Truth, and guys, her cake was the bomb. And this one, guys, it's Reminisce. It's the same person, I mean. So this one, guys, it's a Christmas fruit cake, and she doesn't only do Christmas fruit cake. She does wedding cakes for wedding. She does like dessert tray. Yeah, whether you want carrot cake, pound cake, whatever, guys. Yeah, Reminisce Christmas fruit cake, guys. And her contact number is 416-543-0456, guys. So if you want to order your fruit cake, if you want to order your dessert tray, you're having a party, you're having a function, and you want Jamaican fruit cake, guys, I want to tell us that the cake moist, it nice, it heavy, guys, perfect. I'm no, bite up no raisin in your mouth, guys. The cake just nice, really nice, guys. So Reminisce fruit cake, she sells it $25 a pound. Yes, she's selling her cakes right now for $25 a pound, and that's a December special, right? $25 a pound. So guys, if she has this one here is a carrot cake. This, guys, if you want like a dessert tray or whatever, she has or prices for like dessert tray, or yes, this carrot cake right here, this one is $20, right? This one here, this one is not by the pound. I don't know how many inch it is. Yes, but, and guys, our carrot cake is not like the little normal carrot cake, guys. This have a little, I don't know what she do, but it have a little touch of something like me can. She put fruits in it, but you don't taste the fruit, and the flavor, it is so flavorful. So guys, if you want to order your fruit cake, your wedding cake, Jamaican black fruit cake, contact Reminisce Christmas Fruit Cake. She's located in Hamilton, Ontario. However, she does deliver to the GTA and surrounding area. Her name is Carlene, and again, her number is 416-543-0456. Yes, guys. So this is a paid promotion. So this is a promotion video. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna taste this cake. Wait, I haven't tasted this one yet. However, last night I couldn't resist, and I tried the carrot cake, guys. Guys, should if I did pregnant, would have marked for this, cause guys, a weeks I want this carrot cake. Weeks, yeah. So if I did pregnant, would have marked. So guys, I'm gonna try. I should turn the camera down so you guys can see me opening it. Let me turn it down. Hold on. So guys, let's try the cake. Are you okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. That's all. I just want to know if you're okay. So guys, look at the cake. Look at the cake. Guys, you see how this moist? It's moist. Guys, I want you to see how moist this cake is. I want you to see. Guys, look at it. You see how moist it is? All right, make we try it together. So guys, now that you see how moist it is, let's try it together. So, guys, it's the second time I'm trying her cake. So let me see if she, keep up with the same taste and texture. Well, the texture looks the same, but let's taste it together. Okay. The cake good. This, guys, is so good. Guys, the cake good. Guys, I'm gonna make my husband taste it off camera. Babe, just take a bite and just say, tell me your taste. Like, give me your honest opinion. How it is? Yeah. No raisins. It's just moist. You can taste the wine.
The wine's strong in there.
Right? Okay, nice. Guys, you see me now? If you follow me with this cake,
You got some of the box drink eggnog.
eggnog on this, or sorrel. Yes, guys, this would go good with eggnog. Or sorrel. Guys, you know I haven't made my sorrel yet. Haven't made no sorrel. Guys, the cake nice. And what I like, guys, she maintain the same taste. And it's so moist. Not too sweet. It's just perfect. I'm gonna show you guys now the carrot cake. I tasted the carrot cake already, but we'll try it again. If I can pass it a paper towel for me, please. Like you didn't need to boil more saltfish. You didn't boil more saltfish.
Boil more?
Why you didn't boil more?
More like saltfish and boil.
I like that. Oh, I did the small pack. So guys, let's open the carrot cake together. I'm gonna try the carrot cake already, but let's open it together. I'm gonna show you guys the carrot cake. So guys, let's look at the carrot cake. Guys, this is the carrot cake. I had to eat piece last night. But I don't know if you guys see the little fruits in it. But you can't taste it, guys. It is so good. And it is moist too, guys. It is so moist. So guys, it tastes so good, guys. So every time it tastes, it comes like just brand new all over again. It is so good. You see the little fruits, guys? Guys, we have to. And I think I taste like little nuts in it. I taste little nuts in it, guys. Guys, it is so good. Guys, try our carrot cake. Make sure you guys order. Guys, we have to support small business, you know. So if you're in and around Hamilton, guys, link Carlene. Guys, just see all them, you know? Maybe done before Christmas, you know? Done before Christmas, I'm telling you. Anyways, guys, it's the end of Vlogmas 23. One more vlog to go, or two more vlogs to go. I'm gonna give you guys one tomorrow, and I'm gonna give you one on Wednesday. Yeah, so guys, remember now, the name of our business is Reminisce Christmas Fruit Cake. Yes, guys. I'm gonna put up our flyers, guys, and you guys can reach out to her, guys. Reach out to her. Support her, guys. Support small business, guys. Let's support each other. Yes, guys. Give her your support. And guys, trust me, you will thank me later. You will love, so full of so much flavor, guys. I mean, I like the eat raisin. You know, like I like my raisin blended out. So for those who don't want to taste the raisin, you know, they just want everything blended out, like, yeah, reach out to Carlene. Save her information and reach out to her, you know, for your wedding needs, your party, you know, what they want, dessert tray or whatever, reach out to her. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. You know, thank you all for your support, and catch you all on Vlogmas 24. Bye.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been